As a head teacher, your brain is full of important things, like budgets, Ofsted, PTA meetings, targets and fire inspections. It's tough to decide what to do first. And then there are all those urgent items, like the pending fire inspection, and you know that the clutter and trip hazards created by your coat pegs isn't going to go down well. If only the pegs could stay neat and tidy, but that only happens after morning register. And as soon as break time comes around, the entire area becomes a cluttered mess again, with coats, hats and bags all over the place. With space at a premium as pupil numbers continue to grow and more breakout classes taking place in school communal areas, it would be ideal if you could move the cloakroom space into the corridors. But fire officers don't recommend the use of pegs in corridors, as the clutter can cause issues in emergency exit situations. Have you considered lockers, like the ones supplied by Link Lockers? They take up less space than pegs and create a clutter-free, colourful and safe learning environment. There's no need to worry about which lockers you need or where to put them. Link Lockers take care of that for you. They carry out a site visit, prepare a design and a fully itemised quotation. You choose the colours and finish, and you can even change the door colours to match your school colour scheme. Link Lockers will install everything for you, leaving you with a stylish and practical new storage solution that's safe to locate along corridors. Oh, and don't forget your budget. Lockers are more cost-effective than you may think, but you can always choose leasing to spread the cost if it helps. Your school will be free from the clutter of coats and bags. Trip hazards and lost property will be dramatically reduced. And the fire inspector will be happy with the new storage. What's more, the kids will love them.